Hello folks, welcome back. In this video, we present a revolutionary tool, Higgsfield AI, that democratizes video creation, making it accessible to everyone. Here's what you need to know. Key features. AI-powered video creation. Create unique videos using just one selfie, with options for presets or original content via a prompt builder. Personalization. Complete control over aesthetics, style, motion, and mood. Diffuse app. An innovative app that enables users to create highly personalized and realistic human characters. GPU workload manager. Efficient resource utilization and management for running experiments. Support for trillion parameter models. Enables efficient sharding for models with billions to trillions of parameters. GitHub integration. Seamless integration with GitHub and GitHub Actions for continuous integration of machine learning development. Use cases. Social media influencers. Create engaging video content to boost follower engagement and grow your audience. Content creators. Produce high-quality, personalized videos without needing a large production team. Marketing teams. Develop tailored video advertisements to drive brand awareness and conversion rates. Brands. Elevate brand image with custom video content that stands out on social media. Education professionals. Create educational video content that is personalized and engaging for students. Large language models. Tailored for training models with billions to trillions of parameters. Who can use? AI researchers and video creators. Data scientists and marketers. Machine learning enthusiasts and influencers. Software developers and everyday creatives. Additional features. Comprehensive framework. Initiate, execute, and monitor the training of large neural networks on allocated nodes. Resource contention management. Manage resource contention effectively by maintaining a queue for running experiments. Discord community. Connect with other users and developers in the Higgsfield community. Pricing. Free. Higgsfield offers a free pricing model, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Overall, Higgsfield AI is a powerful tool that empowers users to create high-quality, personalized videos with ease. Its cutting-edge AI technology, comprehensive framework, and seamless integration with GitHub make it an ideal solution for various professionals and individuals. With its free pricing model, Higgsfield AI is definitely worth exploring. Try out this tool, and please do let me know your comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another tool.